Hey YouTube, Chosen 7x7 here with one of my favorite EDCs. Today I have the Emerson Traveler. Very nice compact little piece of dynamite. Love it. It has the wave liner lock, steel liners, typical Emerson design, 154 cm steel. Blade length 3 inches. Overall length 7.1. Very sexy little blade. And I carry this one as well as another one I have that's tan. Has tan G10 or coyote brown. Very nice, very nice. Typical Emerson, no frills design. Guaranteed to do the job. This was just a quickie for you guys out there today. The Emerson Traveler. Thanks for watching Chosen 7x7. Peace.